We hit 1,000 subs, y'all.
1,000 subs!
1,000 subs! Pew, pew, pew.
1,000 subs, and Caleb just told me that we are monetized now.
We are a monetized channel now, man.
Dude.
That's 3 years.
You know what? I thought we should celebrate.
The same thing?
Celebrate a little.
Oh, we're not thinking the
No,
same thing.
yeah, this is.
I was going to give you a Pokemon card.
Oh!
Well, there you go.
But that's a nice bit you set up. Anyways, let's get to it.
I was going to do it somewhere. A celebratory drink. Thank you all so much for subscribing to the channel. I can't believe 1,000 of you actually want to watch it.
Yeah. Yes. I figured in, 7 billion people in the world, that like maybe 100.
Yeah. Would want to see us. Cheers!
Cheers!
I got
Cheers!
a Star Wars mug, y'all. That's BB-8.
And cheers to you!
Cheers to y'all, for sure. Y'all are the real MVPs.
Y'all make this possible by coming back every week and watching us degenerates.
Yeah. There you go.
What's great is
I can handle whiskey.
You can edit your own. Yeah, Caleb sticks to beer. I like to drink whiskey.
I guess official. Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up.
Welcome back.
Y'all, this is the last Halloween follow-up because tomorrow's Halloween.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. Tomorrow is Halloween.
Tomorrow's Halloween, y'all. And you know what that means? We're dipping into the coffin candy dish of death for another terrible candy, y'all.
That doesn't even sound good.
Y'all, today we're dipping into good and plenty.
Oh, I forgot that they looked like that.
They look like pills.
Fucking Dr. Mario pills.
Have you ever had these before?
If I did, I think I repressed it. I probably said that about every candy, but I really just...
I've never had it before. I don't know what it is even.
Honestly,
I assume it's a hard compressed candy.
It looks like they just farmed a bunch of rats, and they found the ones that produce the biggest turds.
I've seen these laying around the shop.
All right, well, you want to get a pink one or a white one?
I'm gonna go with a pinky.
Also, why are they pink and white? Who
knows?
knows?
Why do they look so medicinal?
It is a mystery.
Oh, let's try
I don't
it
know
out.
if we should
Let's try it. I'm just going in. Oh, it's soft. But it's black licorice.
That is fucking terrible.
Dude, that's black licorice.
I'm not finishing that. Not. It is straight up just black licorice.
That's worse.
Coated.
That's harder to take than this whiskey.
I gotta fucking wash it down with whiskey. Oh, that's
Dude,
bad,
my
y'all.
stomach hurt after all the sweet tarts. I went to bed nauseous that night.
Really?
That's not good.
That's fucking bad.
Apparently they're plenty, but they're not good.
That's why they're plenty. They're not in demand at all.
Any of y'all buying that?
I was telling my dad about it, and I was like, yeah, we're gonna eat some Good and Plenty today. He was like, oh yeah, I like Good and Plenty.
Oh, Charlie!
Charlie, no.
Dude, try a handful.
I am not trying a handful.
Come on, man.
You don't think I did?
I'll try a handful. Yeah, you'll try a handful.
You don't think I did enough last time?
You did a thing.
Yeah, you eat the handful of Good and Plenty, you nasty pervert.
It's not that bad yet.
It's gonna be bad.
I'm still getting the frosting off of it.
Who took a nasty ass piece of licorice and was just like...
Because nobody wants licorice, so they're like, can we hide it?
Can we hide it in a piece of cheese? Like the medicine that it is? I feel like my Lanta tastes better than licorice. Oh my god! That is... Oh! That is the most hideous thing I've ever seen come out of somebody's mouth.
No, I'm not doing it more.
This is the last one. This is the king of all bad candies of Tootsie Pops.
That's the winner out of all of them. Yeah, that was bad. So
it's really bad. Now that we got that out of the way, let's read some comments.
Last video was the Halloween, the haunted house.
Y'all got a new song.
Y'all got a new song from the boy.
I ain't posted it yet, but...
And Adam's spooky music was great because I wanted to do a little bit more of a cinematic artsy-fartsy piece.
That turned out good.
Yeah, I was pretty happy with how that video came out. Ace says, pretty cool. Could use it as a birdhouse the rest of the year. Actually, the idea came from Jeff, and her initial idea was make a witch birdhouse. And I was like, well, I've done a birdhouse miniature before, so what if I just did a haunted house as a decoration? So,
Yeah. Plus, if you use it as a birdhouse for the rest of the year, then you're gonna have to, like, every Halloween that comes around, you're gonna have to, like, clean out all the good and plenty out of it.
Yeah. Harry freaking Gary, dude.
Harry the fuck Gary.
Dude, he changed his picture to Taz's toy, Harry Gary.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. He enjoyed the video, and he said, really enjoyed Adam's song. Great job by both of you.
Thank you, Gary.
Thanks, Harry Gary.
Thank you.
Dude, Steve I, man.
Steve Vai, man. What about him?
He said, they look so freaking sick. Thanks, Steve I.
Steve Vai.
J Mass, man. He said it was quite a cinematic adventure.
That's when the solo came in my song, too. So it was
Yeah, I
extra
like that the solo was going right with the gravestones coming at you.
Yeah.
That was cool. Dude, my dad liked it. Said he's proud of us, love Dad. Thanks, Dad.
Aww.
And that was it. Because I put these in here like 2 days ago.
You have no care for your safety and well-being or mine, and I resent it.
I paired you with the Pokemon card, man.
Oh.
Ben got that in a Happy Meal, man. Dude, so on the last follow-up, I asked what your favorite joint is. And you asked about the DNA, what people would change,
Oh, yeah.
or if they were cool with it. So Steve I said he made a 3D printed dovetail joint.
Whoa.
Yeah, that sound...
Oh, yeah, no, that's right. I see Steve I posting stuff about, like, 3D printing and whatnot.
Dude, heard from old Kevin.
Hello,
He
Kevin.
said he sucks at doing joints. Yeah, he said he just does butt joints. Butt joints.
Butt joint.
Yeah, he said DNA altering wise, you'd have to say living longer would be pretty nice. Luke Silverfish, he said your written warning was the best ever. For the most difficult joint, he's not a pot smoking hippie, so he doesn't do joints.
What?
Even though he was talking about Colorado.
He was talking about Colorado. We're on to you, Luke.
We're on to you, Luke.
You say goofy things.
Silverfish.
You talk about Colorado a lot. You're making jokes about joints. Are you a sneaky, dirty hippie commie? Is that what you are?
Answer, Silverfish.
Answer through the camera right now on Monday.
We don't want to wait for the comment. We want to know right now. He said, as for editing DNA, he said, you don't mess with perfection, so I'll pass.
Whatever.
Harry Gary was wondering if I was going to spew or even survive the sweet tarts. We asked him what scrapwood state he was going to make. He said it's a great state of Tennessee.
Hey, we're talking about Harry Gary now, right?
Yeah, great state of Tennessee.
Are you from Tennessee?
Said not a gene editing fan, but likes the idea of living longer. Maybe to 150. He said half-lap joints were a pain. That's one of my favorite joints to me.
I don't like 3/4 lap joints.
CJ, ain't heard from CJ in a hot minute. I asked you if you thought I could handle a warhead, and you told me not to say it on video.
Yeah.
CJ said you guys should definitely eat warheads.
I'm not.
Adam could do another tower of them.
Okay, first off, I don't even know if they would stack. Second off, no,
They might.
never again. So
Hey, I've got some good food ideas for us. We're gonna get a reprieve from terrible things in November. If we could change our DNA to like teleport, that would be awesome.
It would be no more fucking road trips.
No cars, man.
No cars.
No dealing with other drivers.
No car insurance.
And he had sent me a video about nap joints. I did watch it, CJ. And nap joints are really cool. And CJ, that same guy did his own version of nap joints, where instead of everything being circular, it was all like square. That was it for last week's thing. My weekly question this week is not so much a question. I just want to know, what is y'all's best shop safety tip?
Ooh. Safety is very important.
Because everybody's got different opinions on safety, so everybody might mention something different. So we could get a big safety list of stuff. My shop safety tip is to be just as cautious around your sanders as you are your table saws. Because the worst shop injuries I've ever gotten have not been from blades, it's been from sanders. The belt sander specifically. I took like my whole palm off with the belt sander.
That's not good.
And I read a story from a different fella who was using his orbit sander and the disc flew off and he said it sliced his face open.
So it was just like a flying paper cut.
Flying disc, yeah. Flying sandpaper disc cut. And what's your shop safety tip? What's your wood shop safety tip?
My shop safety tip actually I guess it carries over into musicianship as well. Never plug your equipment into a non-grounded outlet.
Be aware of your outlets, man.
Be aware of your outlets.
Use those surge protectors, man.
Apple juice or orange juice?
You gotta hit where it hurts, man.
Pancakes or waffles?
Waffles. So anyways, that was our weekly questions. Leave a shop safety tip. Pancakes or waffles. Thanks again, everybody, for the 1,000 subs. That is super awesome.
Cheers again.
We're a blip on the radar now, man.
We are.
If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up because there's some reasons why you might want to do that. Well, reasons that I need you to do that. Like what?
They vacuum pump the algorithm.
Yeah. Be sure to subscribe to this channel too because there's brand new woodworking projects every single Friday. And then the following Wednesday, we follow up on it and ask you weekly questions.
Which is arguably better than the actual woodworking project.
It's the fun stuff.
It's the fun stuff.
What comes after that? Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Everybody shame him in the comments for not committing to the costume.
Y'all, I just didn't want to shave my beard, y'all.
Yeah. I mean, look, I look like a police officer. See you later.